In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to actually get more hearts in LEGO Fortnite. Be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. Now, as you can see from the top left corner, I have more hearts than I usually would. Now, to actually get more hearts, what you're going to need is to craft some health charms. So if I were to use this crafting bench, all I would need to do is go into this, and as you can see, there is a health charm. Now you can equip 3 of these at once, and all you're going to need to do that is some silk thread, some bone, and then a wolf claw. Now, as I said before, you are going to be able to equip 3 of these at one time. I only have 2, and it's going to add more hearts. And that's really all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.